In this video, we offer links and tips for selecting roses and easy steps on how to grow roses without deer damage. Roses will add dazzle to any garden, modest or grand. From ground covers to wall climbers, there are growing options for everyone. Give some thought to what your rose design goals are, and it will be easier to choose varieties. Your rose garden starts with a suitable site. Choose an area that gets a minimum of 4 hours of sun each day. Soil should be well drained and workable, not compact. One of the newest trends is low-growing shrub roses that blanket the garden with blooms. These ground cover roses can also drape over walls and cascade from window boxes and hanging baskets. There are traditional shrub roses, which come in many different colors and forms. They offer flexibility as they can be integrated into many garden designs and will coexist with other flowering shrubs. Climbing roses add special zest and visual interest to the landscape. They will climb up and wind their way around arbors, fences, pillars, and other structures. One of the best ways to succeed at growing roses is to choose those that will thrive in your growing zone. You can find your growing zone by clicking the link in the description below, or with a simple Google search. Once you have determined your growing zone, there are many reputable sources for making rose selections. Better Homes and Gardens offers a clear and expansive list of roses, which you can find by clicking on the link in the description below. A trusted local nursery can also be a great resource for rose growing suggestions. After selecting an appropriate site and deciding what roses to grow, it's time to plant. Planting is easy when you follow a step-by-step rose planting guide. Click on the link in the description below. Some hints are: give your roses access to as much sun as possible unless you live in an extremely hot area. Then your roses might benefit from some shade during the day. Water them regularly. Once your roses are soil-bound, maintain their health by following instructions for watering, fertilizing, and pruning. In addition, it is key to keep hungry deer and damaging insects away from your roses. The best way to do this safely and effectively is with eco-friendly Bob-X Rose. The formula, which is applied directly to plants, is a blend of ingredients that repel pests through smell and taste aversion. Bob-X Rose is harmless to people, pets, wildlife, and aquatic creatures. Elegant flowers, heady fragrances, and exquisite bouquets are some of the many reasons to grow roses. And keep them healthy and intact with Bob-X. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.